Hey guys, this is EDOS5, and I'm just gonna show you my paper switchblade. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is the first one on YouTube when I upload it. So let's get started. Let's open this flash right here. Okay. Oh yeah. Come on. See, just paper, very sexy. Ignore that. The blade is kind of tilted right now, but because I didn't like completely finish it, but it's pretty much one of the only flaws in it. Close this back up. The latch back on the other side of the rubber band, like so, and close up. So I'm pretty sure this is the first one. Not sure. Well, scratch that. I am sure. Actually, I did like a whole bunch of searching. I couldn't find another paper one. All I can find was like butterfly knives and stuff. So, first one on here. Pretty cool. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.